Welcome to Phone Transformer Today. We are going to show you how to use voicemail on Android so you never miss an important message again. Now let's get started. Step 1, you will need to open your phone application, which is the standard dialer icon, usually located at the bottom of your home screen. Opening this app is the first step to accessing your calling features and managing how people reach you when you are unavailable. Step 2, look for the 3 dots in the top corner of the screen or a gear icon and click on it. This menu icon is essential because it houses all the advanced calling settings and customization options for your specific Android device. Step 3, click on the option labeled Settings or Carrier Features from the list that appears. Navigating to this section allows you to communicate directly with your service provider's network to manage how your incoming calls are handled. Step 4, click on the specific SIM card you are currently using and then click on the voicemail option. This step is important because it directs the phone to the correct cellular account where your voice messages are actually stored and processed. Step 5, click on Visual Voicemail to begin the activation process for a more modern experience. Enabling this feature allows you to see a list of your messages and read transcripts without having to call a number and listen to audio prompts. Step 6, click on Setup and then select voicemail number to finalize your configuration. You can either choose a contact from your list or write the number provided by your carrier directly to ensure your phone connects to the right mailbox. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.